So here we are in our audiology suite. Behind me over here, you'll see one of our audiology booths where audiologists perform your hearing test. This is much different than a hearing test you may have gotten in school or with your primary care. With the use of this whole booth that's soundproof and our audiologic testing that they have access to, we can really be able to kind of further determine in a way more sophisticated fashion, really characterize your hearing loss so that we can best treat it.